So I love that Charles Hoskinson has come out and said what I'm about to talk to you about, the fact that they are, quote, not in trouble and they're not coming after us being Cardano. We're going to put some meat around that in just a minute. But I wanted to show you this real quickly. What you're looking at is TradingView, and that's the best charting software technology platform out there. And what you're looking at inside of this, where these momentum up and down indicators are, this is my software, X1 Algo, which is a trading indicator software I had built for you guys. I'm using it personally. I wanted to show you this real quickly. There's a link in the description below if you want to go check it out. 30-day, no questions asked refund policy. So you can basically take it for a test drive. And if you don't like it, you can get your money back refund. There's a discount code down there as well. But look, back on July 14th on the 4-hour chart, which is where we're at, basically there's a momentum up signal sent. Okay. And so my software picked it up, sent it, let you guys know. And if you would have taken action on that all the way through the next momentum down, which every candle you see here is a 4 hours. So that's a period of about 12 hours. It's a 23% return, meaning you could have bought and then sold at this momentum down and basically made about 23%. To put that into perspective, if you would have bought $1,000 worth, you would have made $230 in profit. Now, I want to point this out as well. This momentum down signal indicator right here, kind of moving forward to right there. That's a 14% move down. A lot of people don't think about this. They buy and then they don't know when to sell. They don't have any clue when they should sell, and they don't get that. That's one thing that an indicator, don't use mine, use somebody's. Okay, an indicator tells you, gives you insight per all of the, the volume and the data out there that maybe you might ought to think about selling at this point in time. This is if you're doing like some trading and you're wanting to maybe buy and sell a few things here and there. And you can see that momentum down basically. So said a different way, they would have made 23% here, but then they would have gave almost all of it back right here. Okay. So again, 30-day refund policy, link in the description below. Go check it out. Go try this thing out. If you don't like it, you get your money back. Yes, I'm talking about this in every video. You know why? Because it's software that I had created to help you guys to take the blinders off. Okay. So Cardano right now, we all know what's going on. Trading at 26 cents and change. Okay, we know this, but this is why I wanted to make the video for you. Cardano founder says, quote, SEC is not after us. ADA only got caught in crossfire lawsuits. Thank you, Charles. Finally, it's been said. This has kind of been the elephant, in the room. But the fact that Charles came out and talked about this is a big deal. Okay, it's a big deal. Why? Because he needed to. Okay. We all know what happened is that Cardano ADA was named in the Binance suit, and I believe the Coinbase suit, but I know in the Binance suit. And so when the SEC sued Binance, they basically said, by you selling, ADA on your exchange, Binance, we the SEC think that ADA is a security. It's not. We all know it's not. When the SEC lawsuit came down and Ripple won that lawsuit, I don't know if you know that basically killed the entire, how are we going to classify crypto? And basically that set the stage for the fact, well, that was not good. That set the stage for that the majority of cryptos will be classified as commodities and not as securities. Anyway, the fact that Charles is coming out and addressing this is a good thing. This is something that I think that we've been needing to get from him, to give maybe some calming of the market in that, hey, this, we were named as they were not, what I'm trying to say is the SEC going after Cardano like they did Ripple. No, they're not. Why? Because they know they can't win that. Okay. So that's the point, is naming ADA in those Binance lawsuits caused damage to ADA and to the other ones that were named. But ultimately, I think they're without merit. That's my personal opinion. I'm not a lawyer, again, and this is just my personal opinion. So let me know what you think. Drop in the comments below. Remember, my trading indicator, you can pick it up. Links in the description below. Yes, I'm talking about it in every video. You know why? Because I think that too many people out there do not have help. And I think we all need, I've been using trading indicators for years. We all need help as to when to maybe buy and sell. And I think it's part of an overall trading strategy. I think that you should have, my opinion, I have two sides of trading strategy. I have everything that I've bought, and then I'm holding long term. I'm not even looking at the price. I'm not worried about it. I mean, I've bought it and I'm going to hold that for years. It's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, all these others. But then, that's kind of boring. And and that's buy and hold. And that's a good thing. I've got a profit strategy around that. But beyond that, I like to buy and I like to sell. Maybe I want to buy a little bit here, buy a little bit there, buy some ADA, Polygon, Matic. By the way, stocks, I want to buy maybe some stocks, things of that nature, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it may be. And that's why a trading indicator, I just showed you in real, basically real world, everything that's going on. In fact, before we end, let me show you where we're at right now with the indicator and what it's showing ADA is doing right this minute. Okay, so if we go back here, let me show you this. Whoops, I'm still on that. Hold on just a minute. Go all the way back here. Got to get all the way. Come on, let's get real time here. Just got to kind of grab it. Here we go. This is what's going on currently right now. So this is everything you're seeing here. Now we know that ADA is really consolidating. There's not a lot of price movement, but you can see, look, there's these little momentum up and down indicators firing everywhere. So like this one right there, that's about a 2% gain. Okay. But again, ADA is not moving a lot, right? So that's about a 2% gain. This one is about, it's a little bit more probably. Yeah, actually it's about the same, about 2.5% gain. So again, but that's just what's going on with ADA right now. And that's on the 4-hour chart. That's what's going on. So these are momentum up and down, but you can see it's firing exactly where it needs to be firing, showing, hey, there's a little momentum up. Okay, there's a little momentum down. But you got to remember that ADA is channeling, it's consolidating, it's just doing a really tight little pattern right now. But what if it breaks out? Wouldn't you like to have, that the indicator when it gets ready to go from like right here and just goes up, right? Well, there'll be a momentum up indicator that will fire right here. You can use this anywhere in the world, any device. You can get alerts sent to your phone, email, all that kind of stuff. Links in the description below, discount code, check it out. See you. Bye. Go make some money.